Hi folks, in this video, let's see about Earth's magnetic field and is it really shifting? Let us start understanding this concept by first knowing the core of Earth. Core of Earth is made up of nickel and iron. If you see this image, the land that we live is the crust. All continents are present here. If we start drilling, we'll get to rigid mantle. If we further drill, we'll get to asthenosphere. Going much deeper, we'll encounter stiffer mantle. If we drill more and go deep inside, we'll get to the core. The core is made up of two parts, inner and outer core. Interesting part here is the outer core is liquid and the inner core is solid. The temperature is as much as sun's surface when we get to the inner core. It is very interesting that at this temperature, the inner core is still solid in nature. It is a solid ball with a radius of about 1220 kilometers. That's about 70% of Moon's radius. The explanation for core being solid is that the pressure is too high. The entire Earth and its components pressure is on inner core, which results in the core sticking together. Keep this in mind because this has a significant role in magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field, also called as geomagnetic field, extends from Earth's core to outer space where it meets solar winds coming from sun. The field power is maximum in the poles north and south. You might have heard of magnetosphere. This is a region above ionosphere that defines the extent of Earth's magnetic field in space. It extends to tens of thousands of kilometers, protecting Earth from charged particles of solar and cosmic flares. These flares, if magnetic field were absent, would strip away the atmosphere, including ozone, and that could be end of life on Earth. When Earth rotates and revolves, the liquid core consisting of iron and nickel also moves. The huge weight of Earth and liquid inside has a significant turbulence. Just like if you hold an egg and shake it, the yolk inside moves. Now, when such a huge amount of metal moves against each other, it creates charge. Streams of charged particles generate magnetic fields. This process is called Coriolis force. Do all planets have magnetic field? No, not all. The four gas giants have a very strong magnetic field. Earth has moderate. Mercury has very little because it spins very slowly. Venus and Mars have no measurable magnetic field. We have a geographic North Pole, which we have created and given a name for our convention. There is another magnetic North Pole. It points to somewhere towards Greenland. For millions of years, the magnetic field has moved. It's not stagnant. Actually, currently the magnetic field is moving faster than anticipated. If you see this picture in 1900, it was in Canada and then it moved to Greenland and soon it will move to Siberia. So the magnetic North Pole keeps on moving. World Magnetic Model is a standard used for ship navigation. It will be affected and it is updated every 5 years. This is an ongoing process and it will keep happening for eternity. We have to deal how to adjust our systems accordingly for such natural phenomena.